I'm Professor Dr. Nabeel Amin, and I'm serving as Dean School of Art and Design at Superior University. My PhD is in technical textiles and processing. I have an extensive experience of industry and academia. I've been working for different projects, which includes a global project for sustainability in textiles, in processing, and in design.
Dr. Nabeel has expertise in the sustainable and environmentally friendly textile processing, total quality management, sustainable technologies, sustainable materials, productivity, and lean manufacturing. He has acquired multiple professional certifications including lean manufacturing, Six Sigma, green productivity, sustainable energy management, and more.
At Superior University, we have added on some spin-offs. And one of our spin-offs is Design Studio, which works for the different commercial projects.
Dr. Nabeel initiated the Design Studio, which is an impressive spin-off from the School of Art and Design.
Sustainability projects that we have been doing. My personal experience is in processes and creating sustainable processes for textiles and other industries, doing upcycling, reducing waste. We are doing some projects to utilize waste, to upcycle, to recycle, and to reduce the materials that have been wasted.
For his contribution and skills, he has secured bronze medal from the Society for Dyers and Colorists, UK. Dr. Nabeel Amin's work has significantly contributed to advancing sustainable practices in the textile industry. His multidisciplinary approach, combining expertise in technical textiles, coloration technology, and sustainable technologies, sets an excellent example for the intersection of sustainability and design.